Kawasaki is reportedly concocting a new model that is ready to be introduced to the public. Although there has been no official response from the principal, however, one of the models that will be introduced is quite unique because it adopts a retro design like the Z900 RS. The model that is suspected is based on the Kawasaki ZX25R, but with different cosmetics. Like the Kawasaki Z900 RS, the latest Kawasaki model will use more or less the same design. If you look closely at the model that will be used, it is very interesting, especially if not the engine configuration that is adopted, namely 250 cubic centimeters with 4 cylinders. The roaring sound produced in the engine room will follow its fierce older sibling. In terms of cosmetics or design use, the Kawasaki ZX25 RS is also reported to use a retro accent through the appearance of round lights and round rearview mirrors. The tank, which is usually identical to an aerodynamic shape, has now changed shape and is integrated with a single seat. In addition, another appearance that makes this motorbike so eye-catching is the use of front suspension. In the Kawasaki ZX25 RS concept model, it will adopt an upside-down shock breaker that can provide driving pleasure. Peeking at the leaked engine that will be used because it adopts the same specifications as the ZX-25R, the engine has a capacity of 250 cubic centimeters 4-cylinder 4-stroke with DOHC technology support. Referring to the ZX-25R engine specifications, it is equipped with a 249.8 cubic centimeter 4-cylinder 4-stroke double overhead camshaft injection. The maximum power is 50 PS at 15,500 RPM. If using ram air, the power increases by 51 PS at 15,500 RPM, and the maximum torque is 22.9 Nm at 14,500 RPM. If Kawasaki really releases the Z250 RS, this could be a brilliant strategy to expand their retro market in the 250cc segment. Consumers who want a classic look but still prioritize modern technology might be very interested in this model. Until now, fans are still waiting for an official statement from Kawasaki. Whether the Z250 RS will become a reality or just a mere rumor, time will tell.